Hello everyone. This is my update on my on the Mech game's character animation system. I've been working on this for a couple days now, mostly making all the animations so that I have something to work with. So in this system, I'm using Mechanim, and you can see my Mechanim state machine here. Now it looks a bit complicated, but I can read it because I'm the one who made it. Now I do know about blend trees, but I could not think of a particular use for the blend trees in this case, especially because there are a lot of these intricate connections between a lot of these states. One thing I'll mention is that right from the beginning, I had a goal to have different states for the character, such as like having uh, the left foot forward or the right foot forward. And in my opinion, this would make the smoothest possible animation for the character. Now it's still a little bit janky. I think there's some funny logic going on here that makes certain transitions not work out properly, but that's something I can work out later. Now, just to demonstrate how this thing works, uh, these two here, these are the idle states, the left foot forward or the right foot forward, and these are the backwards running states, forward running states, and these two nodes here are the jumping states. As you can see here, this is the jumping animation and the animation for when the character is actually in the air and when they're landing. And I'll just show this thing in action. So here you can see the idle animation, forward, backwards, and depending on which foot is forward. Right now, you can see that the right foot is forward, so if I jump, it'll go to the right foot jumping state. Now if the left foot is forward, there, place a separate left foot animation. Now let's do that. Now I'll show, I guess, I'll full screen it, and I'll show the actual animations. So the mech follows the camera like this. One interesting thing I did with the left and right running animations is, if mech is running to the right, I'll just get out of this box's way. The mech is running to the right, and it's playing a forward running animation. Then it immediately starts running the other way. It'll do it backwards, and same for vice versa here. And it did this because I want to minimize the amount of animation jerking as much as possible. Now the thing still kind of freaks out if I do crazy things like, WASD, WASD. But for right now, it's looking okay. Here's the jumping. I don't have a falling state yet. I'll work on that later. Excuse me. That's it for the animation. I guess I could show the script, but it's kind of boring. Here's the mech move script, which is what I call it. Here's the update method, and I split it into a couple different ones just to make it easy. Here the update states. This thing controls all the animations. Controls the variable that's read by Mechanim. This thing over here controls the jumping and the gravity. And that's it for now. This is my first version of the character animation system. I'll be sure to work on it to smoothen things out. That's it for now.